Hi there, I am glad to see you here. So let me guide you on how you can make your first call on the EngVarta application. This big Connect with Expert button is all you need to press to talk to a live English expert. But before you can use it, you need to add minutes to your account by subscribing to one of our plans here. After you have subscribed a plan, you can press the Connect with Expert button, and the system will connect your call with a live English expert. In case, if all our experts are busy, a callback request will be generated and an expert will call you in the given time. After the call, you will find the session recording in the recording section of the app. Right there, you will also see the rating the expert gave you after the call. And right next to it, you will see a call button, which you may use in the future if you wish to reconnect with the same expert. When you press this button, the system will try and connect your call with the same expert, but it depends on the availability of the expert. And now, moving on to your assignments. In this section, you will see assignments which will be given by your last experts for your next call. You just have to prepare yourself a little bit on the assigned topic so that you can present yourself better in the next call. And now, next up is contacting the support team. We have our support team available from 7 a.m. in the morning to 11:59 p.m. in the night. In case if you have any problem in regards to the application, all you have to do is go to the support section and raise a support request there. And our team of superheroes will help you. And now it's time to talk about the free perks from EngVarta. Number 1, vocabulary series. This series has over 2 years of vocabulary content and more keeps getting added each day. This service is free for all our EngVarta users. Number 2, video series. We publish video lessons on a daily basis for all our users so that they can learn and improve their spoken English. We make videos on topics like pronunciation, grammar mistakes, basic to advanced English, and many more. Be sure to check it out and participate in all the quizzes that we bring you after each session. Number 3, win a free trial. Over here, we open up free trial slots every now and then for our new users. You can claim it to make your first call and connect with a live English expert for free. Number 4, invite friends. We have a great referral and reward system. On every referral, you earn free bonus minutes. Make sure to check out the section for more details. And finally, a very important point. At EngVarta, we take your privacy very seriously. Therefore, your information is never shared with the experts. The experts will address you by your nickname that you selected during the sign-up process. So that was all about the application. Now let's make your first call.